Are you tired with these problems in your home decoration? Tiles fall off, yellowing, turning black, dirty, bacterial breeding, which not only has bad influence in aesthetics but also harmful for health. To solve these problems, Kastar Adhesive Co. Limited spent 3 years researching, 1 year testing. Finally, Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant was successfully launched in 2017, which brought a big renovation of gap filling and sealing. Ceramic tile sealant is 2 components with the latest technology, mainly made of epoxy resin, hardener, and high-quality pigments. Compared with traditional white cement ground, only black and white color available. But ceramic tile sealant has 26 colors. And white cement ground easily become dirty and moldy, not waterproof. But ceramic tile sealant can last as new for over 30 years. Because first, it is anti-corrosion, anti-acid, and alkali. Second, high and no temperature resistance. Dirt and water resistance. Third, good toughness, high hardness. And ceramic tile sealant can be used directly, but white cement ground needs stirred before using, more complicated. Here below are the advantages of Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant. Curing agent, no impurities. Cosmetic grade pigments, shining colors. No flowing on the wall. Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant tube is 100% new raw materials, not recycled material. Kastar has a unique design with gear at the bottom of tube to ensure full weight. Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant passed the RoHS, CE, ISO certificates, approved factory certificates, and authorized certificates. How to use Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant? There are 2 ways. Textured paper construction method, usually for uneven surface tiles. First, clean the tile joint. Second, scrape and remove the tile joint to 2 mm. Third, use masking tape along the tile. Fourth, squeeze a small volume from the nozzle tape and discard. Fifth, squeeze the ground into the tile joint. Sixth, repeat grounding on the place cross. Use a ball-shaped towel to press into the groove. Seventh, remove the masking tape, then finish it. Another way is direct construction method. It's simple and convenient, suitable for large area construction. First, squeeze the ground into the joint directly. Second, use a ball-shaped towel to press into the groove. Third, remove the excess ground with the blade scraper. Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealant is a new product, higher profit than adhesive already existed now. Do you want to be our solo agent in your country? Please contact me for more details.